Hello everyone, welcome to Pambasa Kamanqoza TV. I'm here to update you ngokuzokwenzeka kweTonga next week kusukela ngoMsombuluko mhla 11 August 2025 kuya ngoLwesihlanu mhla 15 August 2025. Okay, ngoMsombuluko mhla 11 August 2025, a man Pablo and Sanele were convinced they buried rises from the dead. NgoLwesibili mhla 12 August 2025, Sanele is pushed into a corner, forcing him to question his decision, and Pablo reveals the difficult choice he made to Zama. NgoLwesithathu mhla 13 August 2025, things explode when Zama brings ilobola talk to a flying heart. Sanele resists again his family and Gadla's death takes 6, puts his life in danger. Umbali seeks comfort from Makhumalo but receives a brutal awakening. NgoLwesine mhla 14 August 2025, uGadla adds another 22 to the game for Sanele, while Zama struggled to come to terms with her father's betrayal. NgoLwesihlanu mhla 15 August 2025, uSanele defiance put the whole family in jeopardy. The whole are closing in on Zama. Ngiyayibamba lana ungakhohlwa ukucinza notification button ukusubscribe namusho umbono wakho. Bye.